If you want to add a signature to Hostinger email, then here's what you're going to do. So step one is you're going to head over to your hpanel.hostinger.com, or you can also easily just go to your webmail if you already have access to it. But I'm just going to show you, if you're a complete beginner, here's what you're going to do. So from our Hostinger dashboard, you're going to click on this emails from the left sidebar of your screen. And then from here, you're going to click on mailboxes, which will take you to your mailboxes, and you can see your business email right here. Now, if it's active, you will be able to see this webmail as well. So just click on that and it will take you to your webmail. Now from here, we're just going to click on compose from the left side options right here. It's just at the very top, so you will see it immediately. Now from here, we can just select a to or where we want to send this. So I'm just going to create a sample account right here. And then from there, I'm just going to add the message right here. You're going to add your message, and then at the top of your screen you will see this option that says save attached signature and responses. You're going to have to click on signature in order for you to add it. Now you can type your signature text or use HTML editor to add styled signatures, links, or images. Just make sure, or just take a look if it's available for you, because for mine it's not, but most usually it is available for some. And that's it. That is how you can add a signature to a Hostinger email. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.